How's it going, guys? Happy Thursday. So I was going to get you some footage of my work today, but it wasn't anything very interesting, and I was kind of had I could almost smell my customer's breath behind me, so it was more of an in and out type thing. So first off, I went to a customer who's selling their house, and on the inspection report, they needed a bath fan replaced, and they needed to get their fireplace maintained. So I show up there, and the realtor told me that the client was going to have a bath fan already there, already purchased for me to install. So I show up. Of course, he doesn't have one. He's got the old one yanked out. So I'm like, well, I don't have time for this because I got to get to my next customer. If I got to run all the way over to Home Depot, which is probably hour and a half round trip, I'm not going to have time to get the job done and make it to my next one. So that was a wash. I did go to Home Depot and I bought a bath fan for him, and I'm gonna go put it in tomorrow. And then my second call was no heat on a gas furnace. And we'll talk about this one a little bit more in a second, but I'll tell you what I did. So I walked in the house, and it's a piece of crap. It's another one of those piece of crap Goodman gas furnace. This is a gas furnace this time, not a heat pump. But it's a 90% old Goodman gas furnace. It's a rust bucket. It's been leaking all over the place. It's a rental. So, and then it's got that proprietary April air filter in it, which I hate. If you guys have seen my other videos, you know I hate those. Do not put a filter in where the customer has to learn how to replace the filter. You gotta take the side curtains off. You gotta pull those combs out, pull the filter out, and then comb it back in. I'm not gonna, never, ever, ever am I going to sell the customer something that they can't change their filter on without extensive training, because it took me a while to learn how to change those things. I can do it very easily, but you can't expect the customer to do that. And you should not ever put a filter in that they need you to come out and charge them an arm and a leg to do. I'm just not going to do it to anybody. I think it's unethical for companies to be doing this, and it needs to stop. Screw those April air filters at home. Just get a simple filter that you can get at Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon, Supply House, somewhere simple where the customer can change it, okay, at a decent price. They can buy a $20 or $30 filter, okay? Do not sell them something that's going to cost them a couple $100 every time they get to change their filter. It's just completely ridiculous, and I can't stress it enough. So no more of that. So anyway, I kind of went off there, but it just pisses me off that these guys put those filters in and expect that to be ethical. It's not ethical. So that furnace, it was just a bad igniter. It was nothing but that. So let's get back to. I'm going to talk about something in this. If this makes somebody unsubscribe, so be it. You can see the calendar that's behind me. So in this area, it's very rural for the most part. It's very country, and it's a lot of good people, good family people. People that work hard, take care of their families. And then you have the main town, and you know what? This is probably gonna piss some people off. You have the main town over here in Central Oregon. It's Bend, Oregon. That's where this house was with that Goodman. It's a rental. And let's get to the kid that was just like staring behind me. Now, there's this term out there, and you know what? Yeah, I know. I told you guys I don't want to talk politics, but he's a soy boy, okay? He's a little skinny, scrawny, greasy-haired little maggot, basically, and he's standing there like a dweeb. I mean, just those people. Not manly, nothing. And if that pisses some people off, so be it. But God, what a little punk, man. And I can tell he's standing behind me because he's distrusting. He's from that side of the aisle. They're very distrusting, paranoid assholes in general. He's probably afraid I'm going to steal something. Like, dude, I don't need to steal anything from you in your rental, okay? And the homeowner that I was doing this work for, I've done other work for. So quit standing behind me thinking I'm going to steal something. And you're definitely not going to learn anything because you don't look like you could even know how to check your oil. So unbelievable. But back to Bend. So it's just, there's kind of a smugness when I drive into that town. I guess I can call it a city because it's like 150,000. But just the smugness. The drivers are rude. The drivers are rude and entitled. They cut you off. They're glaring at you. They honk at you. You know, you go into one of the stores down there, and you know, the people are either looking at the ground, or they're glaring, or they're just not helpful people. You know, they're not part of the society that I want to live in. I want to live in a world where people are kind. They say hi to each other. I just had a neighbor that moved out in my neighborhood that was like that. And hopefully the people that bought the house from him, I haven't met them yet, but hopefully they're down-to-earth people that aren't smug like that. It's just people just piss me off. They're the most miserable human beings on the planet, and they need to go away. So if that causes me to lose some subscribers, so be it, but that's how I feel. I want to live in a society where everybody's friendly to each other, and they're not smug and elitist and you know, putting their nose up to everybody. It's a bunch of bullshit. So I just wanted to talk about that a little bit, because I've already made up my mind. I'm probably not. It'll be a very select few jobs that I'm going to accept in that town, because I just don't want to deal with those people. And they're kind of moving north. Bend is south of me. They're kind of moving north into my area, and you can just kind of see those people. You kind of smell them, actually. I don't want to live in a world like that, and they got to be stopped. And I think we're on the right track with that. So, just horrible human beings, and I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Am I saying anything wrong? I don't want to live around horrible human beings that are just angry at life and angry at other people in general, burning cars because somebody's trying to take away their free ride, if you know what I mean. So, just horrible people. I don't know what else to say about it. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to go back and do that bath fan and that fireplace maintenance, if I can pull myself together here now. And if you guys, if you're still with me, and then I'm going to go back. Yeah, so that's Friday, and then Monday I'm going back to the Hacked Mansion for 3 days to get all the tear out done, all my ducts capped, 100%, pretty everything up, get my pumps in. And it's been a long time coming for that. It's just the weather's been so nasty down there that it's a pain in the ass to go down there and try to get this stuff done. We're going to get some nice weather next week. It's actually going to be in the 70s early next week through Wednesday, I think. At least upper 60s down there. So that'll be a nice window for me to get that job done. And then Thursday, Friday, I got another manufactured home heat pump. And then the following Monday, Tuesday, I got another manufactured home heat pump. Looking forward to those. Those always go real smooth. I'm gonna one-man band it and just have fun, enjoy my life. Nice peaceful work, and you know, I'm gonna try not to work any more weekends if at all possible, unless I get a service call or something coming in. But that's my goal. Enjoy life. You know, I'm trying to take Mondays off too. But I probably won't be taking this Monday off. But that's my goal. Work 4 days a week out in the field, and run the business. Don't let the business run me. So, all that being said, guys, I appreciate all the new subscribers I have. I appreciate everybody watching. Hit that thumbs up button. I'll see you on the next one.